Compact and UN Women. And this is a set of 7 principles that guide the business on how to empower women in the marketplace, community, and workplace. And I would like to invite our partner in crime in this journey for some closing remarks. I would like to invite Lila Kalbasi, Chief of Programs, UN Global Compact, to join us with some remarks.
Thank you very much, and good afternoon. It's a great pleasure to close the Ring the Bell for Women Empowerment celebration today, and thanks to Nasdaq for hosting us. There are many of these Ring the Bell events happening around the world. The numbers just came in. It's over 80 of these celebrations happening in the month of March, so it's pretty amazing. Today's event was very special and very inspiring. I rarely actually sit in these types of events where it actually feels like a therapy as a working mom, I have to say. And I've been thinking a lot about the issue of how to deal with career and having kids. And after 5 years of really, conversations with myself, I think the real clue to that is to bring the dads in the conversation. So next year, I'll bring my husband to this event. So at the Global Compact, we firmly believe in women's empowerment. We have launched together with UN Women the Women's Empowerment Principles that help companies guide their actions in terms of gender equality in the workplace, in the marketplace, in the community. Unfortunately, we know that the gender equality agenda is not progressing fast enough. Every day there is discrimination against women, and it holds everyone back. We provide a lot of tools to help companies deal with discrimination and gender equality. We produced a gender gap analysis tool, and this is a very pragmatic questionnaire that helps you assess and benchmark yourself on your performance on gender equality. So we invite you all, we invite every company, every investor, every stock exchange to take the tool and to come on board to advance this agenda. I would like to make a point about the financial markets in particular, since we're at Nasdaq, and the financial markets are at the heart of the movement towards achieving gender equality and Goal 5 under the Sustainable Development Goals. Today, there are 90% of the world's listed equities that are members of the Sustainable Stock Exchange Initiative. We're one of the partners for this initiative, and we encourage all of the exchanges around the world to have guidance for their listed companies to disclose sustainability information. And the thought that I would like to leave us with is to imagine what the world would look like if exchanges and regulators would come together and would put requirements for each of the listed companies to have information disclosed on their performance on topics such as board diversity, equal pay, social protection, legal protection for women. I think that would be a game-changing agenda, and that agenda, it's really down the line, but it starts today. It starts with events like this, celebrating women's empowerment. So thank you again all for being with us today, and thanks to Nasdaq and our partners, and let's ring the bell.
Thank you so much, Lila. I kind of don't want to go anywhere. I want to continue the discussion. So how about to take several minutes to continue some of the thoughts that we have over coffee, and then to move slowly but surely to the closing bell ceremony, where we will be joined by Nasdaq host Ann Dennison, Senior Vice President and Controller, and our own Åsa Regne, Assistant Secretary General and Deputy Executive Director, UN Women. So please enjoy the celebration. It's not yet, it's not the end. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you to the panelists, to the speakers, and to the moderators. We really enjoyed today, and the celebration continue. But please, one important moment. We go down to the closing studio for the bell, 3:30.